Stop creating flashcards using Canva. If you're a student looking for easy ways to study or a tutor looking to personalize studies for your students, then this video is for you.
AI is changing the world and the educational system is not left out. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how to create educational flashcards using ChatGPT and this AI platform. Are you ready? Yes. Let's get started.
So the first thing you have to do is to sign up to chatgpt.com, create an account if you don't have one. In the course of this video, I'll be using 4.0, but you can also use GPT 4.0 mini if you're not using the upgraded version. And next thing you have to do is to click on this icon and upload your file, upload your study material, whatever you want to create flashcards from. So I will just upload my file document, and once I'm done uploading my file document, I will then enter this prompt. So another thing I will need you to note is that in your prompting you have to be very detailed about what you want. So as you can see, I told you to give me question and answers flashcard form, and I also told you to help me with some words and definitions so that I can be able to assimilate every detail that is in that note. Alright, so you can go as far as telling you to give you keywords. Just be very detailed in your prompting and you would make the most out of it. Alright, so I have questions and answers, words and meaning, then keywords. That is what I need from this particular notebook. As you can see, ChatGPT gave me something so beautiful. It has questions, answers, words and meanings. In fact, you can go as far as telling it how many questions you would want it to generate from that file and how many definitions as the case may be. Alright, so also in this video I will also show you how you can convert all this text either to a PDF file, a CSV, or just as a sheet. All you have to do is to prompt ChatGPT to help you convert what it has generated into a downloadable file. Alright, whether it's a PDF with Google Docs or a spreadsheet or even a CSV file. So I needed this as a CSV file and I prompted it to help me create it in a CSV file so I can download it. So as you can see, it's already giving me the result. And once I'm done, it's going to give me a link. And when you click on the link, it's going to download. So once it downloads, you can now access it as a file on your phone. If you have watched up to this point and you're yet to subscribe, you have to click on the subscribe button so it gets updated. The next thing you have to do is head over to your search button and type Quizlet. So Quizlet is a platform that helps both tutors and teachers to create flashcards and notebooks that will enhance their learning. The next thing you have to do is to sign up an account with Quizlet. I've already dropped the link in the description button. You can use it to sign up an account for yourself. Okay. Once you sign up, this is how the interface would look like. You have the title, the description, import, add diagram. This add diagram is for upgraded version, and then create from notes. Alright, so all I'll have to do is to give it a title and describe what the note is all about. And once I'm done, I'm going to head over to import whatever it is that I want to create a flashcard from. That's what ChatGPT has already given me. Alright. So I've successfully imported what ChatGPT has given me, and I'll just have to do a few editing here and there. Why? Because whatever you paste there is what you would have on your flashcard. So exactly what you're saying is what you would get on your flashcard. So remove everything that you wouldn't want to see on your flashcard. So I don't want this asterisks and then a whole lot more that ChatGPT gave me that I just needed to remove before creating it. So the next thing you have to do is to differentiate your card. So I'm going to be using the comma to differentiate between terms and definition, and then use the semicolon between cards. What do I mean? After each question, I'll add a comma, and after each response, I'm going to add a semicolon. So that's exactly what I'm going to do throughout all my cards, so that it can differentiate between the words and the meaning, and the questions and the answer. Alright, so exactly the way you're saying it. After each question, you add a comma. After each answer, you add a semicolon. So once I'm done adding my commas and semicolon, you would see the difference. So on the left hand side, you're seeing the questions. On the right hand side, you're seeing the answers. Same thing with the words and meaning. The left hand side would be the front, while the right hand side would be the back. Now our flashcards are ready. You can decide to add it to your class, to make it easier for your students to access it. Alright, so once you're done, you'll see that we have 10 flashcards. So you can click on the arrow button there to see the rest of the flashcard, like to see the other questions and the words that this flashcard has generated for us. Right? Well, if you tap on the screen, you would see the meaning or the answers. Okay. So for every card you've mastered, you would see it as known. For every card that you're yet to learn, you see it as still learning. Alright. So any card that you still want to assimilate, you can click on still learning, and it will just keep popping up each time you want to access your flashcard. Alright. So there are many options on Quizlet that can help you assimilate faster. You can see the end result. You have the questions and the answers. You can also see an option for voice, so you can actually make this
flashcards to talk. You can also use these three icons to either add it to your folder, classroom, or print it as well, especially if you're a tutor, alright? So there are many options on Quizlet that can help you as a student to assimilate things faster, and even as a tutor to create personalized learning for your students. So for this, because of this video, I will just play around with the match cards. I hope you learned a whole lot from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, like, comment. See you some other time. Bye.